What's up, brilliant people? And welcome back to Tech Tide. If you're ready to level up your living space with the kind of genius gadgets that make you say, "Why didn't I think of that?" You are in the right place. We dove deep into the Amazon jungle, fought off the boring, and surfaced with the absolute most brilliant, time-saving, and just plain cool home products Amazon has to offer. Seriously, your house is about to get an IQ boost. All the product links are in description. Let's not waste a second. It's go time. Number 1 is this amazing lining air purifier. It's compact, provide powerful purification, and covers up to 2,600 square feet. Thanks to the double-sided air intake, it purifies air twice as fast, capturing 99% of airborne particles. Plus, the washable pre-filter is ultra-durable and eco-conscious, saving you money on replacements. Control is instant with smart controls and automation. Use the Tuya app or your voice with Alexa or Google Home. Time for bed? Switch to sleep mode. At a whisper-quiet 15 decibels, it has adjust the wind angle to cool and clean your space exactly how you like it. Stop just breathing. Start thriving. Get the Lunino K1 today. Link in description. Number 2 is this under-cabinet LED lights. Smart light that does the work for you. Motion sensor turns on instantly from up to 10 feet away. Perfect for your kitchen, hallway, closets, or stairs. Light up any dark space effortlessly. No wires, no drilling. It has 2 installation ways, magnets for metal or adhesive tapes for anywhere else. Install in seconds. Easily adjust the brightness to your perfect level. You can charge them with fast USB-C charging. Tap the link below to get your 40 LED motion sensor light today. Number 3 is this amazing portable iron board. It's a foldable tabletop wonder designed for modern, compact living. You get a great ironing surface, 30 inches long, that's perfect for quickly refreshing shirts, dresses, or craft projects. Check out these smart features. A sturdy iron rest keeps your hot iron safely tucked away. Plus, the cover is heat-resistant and breathable, giving you a smooth, professional press every time. It folds down to a super slim 3 inches and has an easy grip handle. Iron smarter, not harder, with this compact powerhouse. Link in description. Number 4 is this amazing toothpaste dispenser. Ultimate bathroom organizer. This isn't just a simple holder. It's a total upgrade. It features 2 automatic toothpaste dispensers, perfect for adults, and a separate one for kids' paste. Storage is a breeze with 5 dedicated toothbrush slots, keeping your brushes covered, dust-proof, and dry thanks to the precision drainage. The 4 magnetic mouthwash cups hang upside down to dry, staying clean and ready to use. And don't forget the top storage groove for your comb, razor, or floss. Everything you need all in one place. Meets the needs of a whole family and brings a new level of organization to your bathroom. Grab the link to this organizer in the description below. Number 5 is this Eureka Spot Cleaner. This compact powerhouse is here to tackle messes everywhere. With its 3.5-inch tough stain tool and powerful spray and suction, it blasts away dirt for a deep clean. It's lightweight and portable, so you can clean confidently in the living room, on the stairs, or even in your car. The large tank capacity allows for a longer, uninterrupted clean. And for those really set in stains, pair it with the Eureka Spot and Stain Cleaning Solution for maximum impact. The parts have an easy maintenance design, so you can quickly rinse out the mess and be ready for next time. If you're looking for an effortless way to keep your home clean, this Eureka Spot Cleaner is a game changer. Check the link in the description. And if you are enjoying this and found helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Number 6 is the ultimate 3-tier rolling storage cart, your new best friend for organization. With 3 deep tiers, this cart holds more than you think. Use it for art supplies, in the nursery for baby essentials, or by your vanity for all your makeup and skincare. Built to last, it features 20% thicker material for superb durability. The plastic is sturdy, and the reinforced handles make moving it simple, even when fully loaded. Move your essentials effortlessly. The wheels offer 360-degree rotation for smooth rolling on any floor. Plus, the lockable wheels keep the cart safely in place when you need it stationary. Stop wishing for more space and start organizing. Grab your ultimate storage cart today. Number 7 is the ultimate silent under-desk walking pad. With a 2.5 horsepower brushless motor, it's quieter than a whisper. Less than 30 decibels. Work out without disturbing anyone, and your joints will thank you. The dual shock absorption deck gives you up to 30% less joint impact, supports up to 265 pounds, and speeds up to 4 miles per hour for a brisk walk or jog. Easily roll it under your standing desk to get your steps in while you work. Walk, work, win. Tap the link below to grab this walking pad. Number 8 is this amazing portable blender, your new blending best friend. With a 12-blade food-grade stainless steel system and a powerful 21,000 RPM motor, it crushes ice and frozen fruit easily for the perfect smooth blend every time. Plus, 3 gears and separate buttons make it easy to use, with no accidental blending. It's hyper-portable. The sleek design fits perfectly in your car's cup holder, and the silicone buckle makes it easy to take your drink to the beach, the gym, or the office. Ready to blend on the go? Get yours today. Number 9 is this multifunctional desk mat set, your simple solution for a sleek, organized workspace. This isn't just a mat, it's a total desktop upgrade. The magic is in the magnetic accessories. Customize your setup in seconds. Pen holder, tablet stand, cable organizer. Everything snaps into the perfect spot based on your needs. The smooth, easy-to-clean surface is waterproof and a dream for mouse movement. Plus, the non-slip rubberized underside ensures it stays exactly where you put it. From the office to your home battle station, this 6-in-1 desk pad brings instant organization and style to any surface. Click the link in the description below to get your own magnetic desk mat set today. Number 10 is this fast-drying stone bath mat. Seriously, this thing dries in seconds. It's super absorbent, and the minimalist design looks great in any bathroom. It's chic and clean. It has a non-slip design and is easy to clean. Just wipe it down. Upgrade your bathroom, keep your floors dry, and say goodbye to damp fabric forever. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 11 is this brilliant portable shoe cabinet. This one-piece frame pops up in seconds. No tools, no layers, just instant storage. Incredibly stable and comes with double door design. From your shortest flats to your tallest winter boots, everything has a home. Also, it comes with wheel design. Ready for a clean, organized, and stylish space? Get yours now. Number 12 is this ultimate stair mat. Thanks to the powerful non-slip rubber bottom, these mats stay firmly in place. No tapes, no glue, no hassle. You get instant peace of mind. They provide superior traction for your playful pets and little ones, plus a soft, thick, 100% polyester surface that's comfortable underfoot. They're vacuum cleaner friendly and completely machine washable. Upgrade your home's safety and style today. Click the link below to get yours and make your stairs worry-free. You deserve a safer home. Number 13 is this brilliant cloth organizer box. This all-in-one storage solution that changes everything. It's neat, tidy, and space-saving. Just fold your sheet set, zip it up, and secure the lid. Use the label cards to instantly know what's inside. Find sheets quickly. No more digging. Plus, it protects your linens. It's moisture and dust-proof and stores perfectly under the bed or in your cabinet. Sheets of all sizes, towels, blankets, seasonal clothes. One box, endless possibilities. Ready for a perfectly organized closet? Grab yours today. Link in description. And if you like this video and found a little helpful, please give this video a like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.